Hi guys, my name is Guillermo Martinez. I'm with Pro Hitting Baseball. I'd like to take the time today just to speak a little bit about this device I have in my hand. And as you can see on the back foot, this is called the Power Up Wedge, and it's very simple, it's very practical, and one of my favorite things is that it's very, very affordable. Okay, but other than that, it helps hitters a ton, tremendously, especially young hitters that do not get into a good hitting position right from the beginning, from their stance. They don't get into a good hitting position. They don't get to fire in a good hitting position. They don't get to that proper launch position. I think it's very important for them to understand what it is to feel their legs underneath them, and this definitely puts them in those important positions throughout the swing. Now, one of the biggest things for me is how kids, when they stand right from the beginning, a lot of them get flat-footed and they just stand. I want them, even from the very beginning, to feel their legs underneath them. Okay, and this puts them in a position where as soon as I get here, okay, and I just feel the ground, I feel my legs underneath, I feel everything, and it's almost like I'm activating my lower half right from the beginning of my stance. Okay, and one of the other things that I like about this device is the fact that I'm able to load properly, I'm able to stride properly, and I'm able to fire properly. Okay, and just to demonstrate a little bit, a lot of kids tend to be flat-footed, okay, and they tend to overload their backside. But what this does, it puts them in an angle, so when they do load, they load against that backside, okay. Now they're in a good, ready position to explode and to transfer that weight going forward, okay. So now what happens is when they do load against that backside, a lot of times, okay, if you're flat-footed, they tend to reach with a stride foot. I'd rather have kids, okay, load against that backside and transfer as they stride, okay? You want to be able to stay balanced as you stride going forward, okay? So one of the most important things for me is learning how to learning how to load, learning how to stride, and then the third part is learning how to fire from the ground up, okay? So as soon as you load, you want to load against that backside, you want to stride, you want to be in a center position, okay, balanced position, and as you engage through the baseball, you want to get off that backside, you want to get off the power wedge. This definitely helps out a ton. I mean, I like the fact that it's very simple, even at the professional level. We get into guys, we have wedges, literally the size of this mat, okay? This is very simple, you can carry it in anywhere, very affordable, but it's very unique in the sense that it gets hitters to do exactly what they need to do without them thinking about it, okay? I highly recommend the Power Wedge.